This is Chuck Hiscock, principal of West Aurora High School. I'd like to thank you for attending our first and hopefully last virtual open house. The mission of West Aurora High School is to create an environment where students are both willing and able to embrace the curiosity, complexity, and joy of learning. We expect our Blackhawks to work hard to overcome adversity, maintain an open and questioning mind, and to solve difficult problems. While this is certainly harder in a virtual environment, we are dedicated to success. That is why our staff is working harder than ever before to provide valuable learning experiences for your student. The purpose of this open house is to give you an opportunity to see how each staff member will approach this mission. You are about to receive a lot of information, and you may have questions beyond what is presented. If you do, I encourage you to contact your student's house or teacher directly. I am very proud of the work we're doing here at West Aurora High School, and I thank you for your support.
Welcome to the 2020 Virtual Open House. This is Whitney Martino, Assistant Principal for Teaching and Learning. In order to meet your students' teachers for open house, you will need to log into your Schoology account or use your student's account to access course pages. To access Schoology as a parent, log on to the school website under Parents. Click on Parent Portal and navigate to the Schoology link. You may be prompted to enter your login information. If you do not have access to your login information, you may use your student's login to access each of their course pages. The parent page allows you to toggle between each of your students. Once you have selected the student, you will then click on Courses to view each course. Each teacher's open house video is located in their individual courses. Thank you for joining us this year for Virtual Open House and taking an active role in your students' education.